Hello all and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the new videos. So it's a new year, a new office and new videos. So let's continue where we left off this fall. So now we're changing this fender to this sport version. So what you need to do to change out the fenders, you first have to take off the side skirt, and to do that you start by these two rivets in here. One rivet here, then underneath here they sit with these, which is a simple twist lock, just like that, and it twists out from this holder. Locked, unlocked, very simple. And you have some plastic nuts, remove with the 10. And here's a nice greeting from Copart. They totally ruined my side skirt and gave me this beauty. So now I have to repaint the whole door because of the damn Copart forklifters. And the next step are these bolts in here. You actually have a hidden one under here, so this trim has to go. And then we have these here and the ones far in here. So there we have the hidden one. So inside here now, on top here it sits with a screw from this way, and this one is attached with a Torx screw down here, and the fender goes between these, so you have to loosen up both those. And the easiest way to do that is actually to remove this one that sits on the fender like that, get that off so you clearly see the screws. So let's assemble the rear diffuser with pipes and all. These will go in like that. And here you can see how this just simply clicks in place. Very well fitment. And this loose lip here just clicks in place here and here. And then you attach it with some screws onto here. And here you just have to take off that little L there. I think it's for the sedan 4-door version. So just take that off and you're good. So this is the US bumper with these horrific things. I really don't know why the hell they put that on there. So this will go away, and I will add the European bumper and a nice diffuser to that. So let's take this one off. Loosen the rivets here, one bolt up here, then just push it out. Now we have the clips here. I removed the tail lights because it's way easier to get to the clips this way without breaking the tail light. So loosen 2 bolts in here. We have 1 bolt here, 1 here. And then the same on that side as on that side. And it's all loose. So now we move over these reflectors. We'll move over these fake vents. We of course move over all the electronics, which are very few on this one. We will move over this bracket here, and we will move over this part here. Install the reflectors and the side grills. and you really help me out if you hit that subscribe and that like button so I can continue this channel with the content I give you. Until next time, see you.